Hi guys, I'm Carlos Cortes and I'm the owner of NG Construction Improvement. We've been in the industry over 10 years and we also serve all Chicagoland area. We do bathroom remodel, we do kitchen remodel, we do roofing, we do additions, new construction, and also any residential, commercial. Whatever you need done, we got the right crew for it. If you got a project coming up, give me a call, send me a text message. Also, I'm going to give you a straight answer and a fair price. That's how we earn the trust of so many customers.